another marvelous duet that you can try in first position and with some naturals. And there's not a lot of sharps, although some accidentals, but mostly it's just naturals. And you get to test your ability to play in C major. If you're learning the violin, it's not the easiest key. It is the easiest on the piano, but not on violin. So you kind of have to understand the naturals position before you succeed. I played it rather fast, but you know, you can use the MP3s I'm uploading on Patreon to adjust the tempo as needed. So if you need to go slower, use the MP3s to do so. You can play along and still have fun. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for following me along on this interesting journey. I'll see you in the next video.